My name is Kathleen Duffy, and the name of my business is Mad Batter Sweets, and I've been making cakes for 7 years now. The bride and groom's style of the cake that they choose typically will match the venue. If it's a very ornate venue, it's usually a very ornate cake. If it's more rustic, it's more simplistic. Everyone wants the biggest and best cake, and they forget about the time that it takes to make it. It's really not the ingredients, it's the labor. It's to buy the ingredients, it's to mix the ingredients, and it's to break the recipe down. It's to stack and fill the cakes. It's to drill the board and to drill the other boards. It's putting the box together. It's all these little components that people don't understand. They just look at a cake and they do say to me, oh, it costs that much. But it's really a labor of love, and it's fresh ingredients and lots of time. The first thing that I really like to work with is my client's budget. So whatever their budget is what I can do for them. If they have an unlimited budget, I will make all the flowers. If their resources are less, I do go to outside sources to buy flowers, which could be a lot less. That's really the most important thing when I'm sitting down with a client, is to make their dream happen within their budget. The first process to getting ready to bake is to figure out how many grams of batter that you need. Each pan has an amount that has to go into it, and it all has to be an equal amount so all the cakes are the same height when they come out of the oven. When making a cake, I typically start the process 5 days before. I'll mise en place my ingredients, and I'll bake the cakes. Then I'll have the cakes cool. Then they'll be wrapped up and put in the refrigerator, and then I'll make whatever fillings that I have to make, and they'll be stacked and filled, and then I'll crumb coat them and they go in the refrigerator, and then I'll finally give them their final buttercream on like the 3rd or 4th day. If the couple wants flowers, the flowers I would do like 2 or 3 weeks before. One of the biggest things with baking is waste. You don't want to waste those ingredients. They're very expensive. That's why you have to plan. The tiers of the cake depend on how many guests you'd like to feed, and also the bride and groom, the look that they're going for. If I do a wedding cake for 275 people, typically that could be a 6-inch, 8-inch, 10-inch, 12-inch, and then also I could do like a sheet cake. A person would want me to do a sheet cake because they don't want the extra layer, so it's a way that a couple could save money on the cost of the cake. For the bride and groom, my advice is, it's just one day, it's you, it's each other, enjoy each other, just have fun. It's the most important day of your life, and it's just cake.